So for today's tutorial, I have chosen this pattern of granny square, and I'm just going to read this pattern through, and maybe some other time we are going to make it. So this I have chosen for three very simple reasons. First, it uses the most common stitches of crochet, which almost every crochet, whether he or she is a beginner or of a more advanced level, which uh, which is used all the time. And second, these symbols are standardized, so there is no chance that in this pattern a particular symbol means something else, and in other pattern it will denote something else. No, so these symbols are universal, so they remain the same in all the crochet patterns. And the last thing is, it's very easy if you know how to read this. It's a very concise, very efficient, and very effective, and very easy and simple way of learn of making patterns. And you can carry this piece of paper like around very easily. It's very difficult to carry books. Like these days, there are lots of books on crochet patterns where they detail every step, by writing the pattern and then by putting very nice colorful photographs. But if you learn, this is because earlier I also used to follow that that way, that pattern with pictures and video tutorials. But once I had learned how to use these written patterns with crochet symbols, which are not at all difficult, they may seem daunting and very hard to learn, but they're not. They're very simple, very easy, and they're very logical also. So once you learn this, um, I'm sure you will find it impossible to use any other type of pattern or book or any other kind of a tutorial. So let's see. As always, as in any granny square, we start from the middle, and this in the middle is a magic ring. So here, what they have done, they have depicted this magic ring uh, with chain 6. So this you can see there's an interlocked chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ovals. And this is for people who cannot make a magic ring or a magic circle. It's difficult even for some advanced level crocheters to make this magic circle. So many people prefer this. So here in this pattern they have indicated that you have to make 6 chain and then slip stitch into the first chain. So if you so this dot sign, this small dot here, is the sign of a slip stitch. Now this sign of the slip stitch, it can be either in the round in the round pattern, which is here, or sometimes in some diagrams or pattern it is also in the oval shape, but it always remains in the shape of a dot. So this is the easiest crochet symbol to learn, I think, and it's a slip stitch. After this slip stitch, the most easy crochet symbol to learn is the chain, because you can the way it is drawn, you can see it's a chain. And by counting the number of rounds or ovals in it, we know the number of chains we have to make. So for example, in this pattern they have made a chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, it's a chain of 3 ovals, so it's a chain 3. That means here you have to make a chain 3. Next we come to the most simplest stitch and the most simplest symbol for it. So this simple cross or plus sign is the symbol of single crochet. And in some patterns it can also be in the shape of this cross, like this. Here it can be like this or it can be like this, but it is a cross. So a simple cross is one single crochet. After the single crochet, the next stitch that comes is a double crochet. For double crochet, the sign is again a little changed. So here, if you see in the center, again let's go to the center. In the center there is a sign of an extended T, a T with a long tail, and it is crossed in between with a short slanting line. So an extended T crossed by a short slanting line is the sign of a double crochet. So as you can see here, all around this magic ring or magic circle, there is the sign of a double crochet. Then after double crochet, if we move to the next crochet stitch, which is the treble crochet. So treble crochet has, instead of one slanting short line in the middle, two. They have